Hello everyone, welcome to Titan Web Tutorials. In this video I will show you how to turn on the Titan Web offline mode. Alright, so before I show you the offline, let's take a look at what I have here. It's very simple project. What we got over here, two buttons. One of them is saving a contact, the other one is saving a lead. And let's just take a look at our pushes over here. So let's go to our Salesforce actions, and we have two pushes. One is for a contact and the other one is for a lead, and we mapped the fields from the form. Very simple, very straightforward. All right, so let's take this for a test drive, and what we will do over here is let's preview. And let's insert a new contact. So we'll say testing, that will be hello, and we'll put something over here. And our phone number will go like this. Everything worked great. Let's take a look at our integration logs, and we have a contact created. That's perfect. And we have the data in Salesforce. Let's view it. And there we have it. Okay, but what happens if, and let's refresh this, you're on your phone or you're on your desktop or a tablet, doesn't matter what, and what happens is suddenly you lose connection to the internet. And right now it's a very simple form, but what if you have a much bigger form and you want to have your user give him an option to resubmit that in case he loses connection. So right now my browser is offline, so I'll hit save contact, and this is what we get. You're offline, we're trying, and that's it. And everything is gone. I have no way of regenerating this for the user. So I'll go back online, and what we will do over here is head over to tools, and I'll take the offline mode. That's it, that's all I gotta do. And now I'm just gonna show you how this behaves. So head over here, we'll refresh, and we will say offline, and we'll be offline. Let's put in a phone number, and I'll create also a lead. Perfect. And now what I will do is I'll head over here, I'll set my browser to offline, I'll save a contact we're trying to save, and let's see what happens. Okay, so we realize we're offline. Notice the ribbon on the right side. Obviously on your phone it will look different. And you see Salesforce request. These are my requests, and this is my current status. It's offline. If I will switch it back to online, we can see that we're online right now, and then we'll be able to retry these. But before we do so, let's try this again, and we'll do a different number, save contact. Again, we're attempting, we're seeing that we're offline, and then we will get another request over here. Let's do the last one for delete. And there we have it. Now let's take a look at what we get. So we have run. Right now it's not going to work because we're offline. View data. I can see what was in my request. So before I run it, I can choose. Maybe the second one was the second push and they're identical. I didn't do anything else, and I don't want to run it, so I can see what was in my request. Let's take a look at the lead. So I see lead last name, lead offline, and I can view the data for this guy as well. And then I can choose what to run. I can also tick them all and run them once I'm online. Another cool thing here is if I refresh it, and right now I'm not online, but let's go back online, and I'll refresh, watch what will happen is Titan recognized we have a previous session, and let's check if you and let you decide if you want to load that session or not. Let's load it, and here we can see all of our failed requests. Now, since I'm online, I'm back online, and again, I don't have to refresh it. I just demonstrated what will happen if you user refreshed it. We can choose what to run. So let's say I want to run this guy, and I would like to run see, we're online, perfect. Okay, so we want to run the two contacts, and let's take a look at our integration logs. So Salesforce integration logs, and we see two contacts created. So we should have offline and offline 2. And while this loads, I'll run the lead. And notice that this comes back. And that tells you that push failed. And the reason that it failed, on purpose, I left out a required field for a lead, which is a company field. So that will give you user an indication that something is not right. I'm not fixing it for a reason. I just wanted to show you how this behaves. Okay, so we have offline to test, and my offline test again, and this is how it's done.